Hello everyone, in today's video I put a jet engine on this car. I don't know why I did this, but a couple months ago I did it, and I think it'll be a cool video to do this on. I put a jet engine on this. It's probably not gonna drive well, and I put a freaking huge wing. So this is probably gonna be bad. Let's try to drive it. Oh jeez. What if I take a turn? Oh yeah, you can't take turns. Don't take turns in that. Oh no. Yo, the car doesn't even move anymore. Okay, this thing can't stand it already. Oh my god. You can't take turns. Does the car even drive anymore? Okay, it does. Really slow though. Look at this turning. I'm gonna do a loop-de-loop. And then... Oh, it didn't even work. Oh! Okay, now I think... Oh, it's still going, Really slowly though. So if I take turns really fast, it just doesn't work. So, how am I gonna drive? Let's race this guy. Jeez. Oh no. Oh no. We are good. This thing still drives, right? It's still driving. Even though the thing holding the wheel in the back is literally hitting the ground too. I'm gonna boost this right. Oh, can't even turn. Can't even turn the car without crashing. If I take a turn right now, it did it! Oh! It actually turned, but didn't really end well. Yeah, let's race this guy. Dang it, can't even turn. Oh my. Oh, the boost is almost stuck. Oh no. Okay, just ripped it apart on a tree. I'm gonna go to the racetrack and see its top speed. How much speed? Or maybe. Let's just go to the end over here.
One eternity later.
So also when you use the brakes, it also turns. So I kind of flipped and crashed the whole thing. So it's probably not gonna work anymore because look at that. Of course. To turn faster than a plane when on a freaking runway. I would actually get to do it. Okay. This car is so cool. I love it. It's so sturdy. It's great for racing. It's got two wheels. It's like two wheels. It's at least tinted this way, so I still turn this way. I don't want to go in the ocean. 155. 52, 200. I'm going straight in the ocean. I am going straight in the ocean. Oh, I actually turned it somehow. 211. 211's its top speed, I think. 225. 225, I think, is the highest speed. I'm just gonna crash this over a mountain now, because this car is trash, and this is the end of the video. It doesn't really break because it doesn't have that much parts. Well, this is going to be the end of the video. I just wanted to see what that would do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe if you have not yet, and put notifications on if you want to stay tuned. Bye!